Hello, hey, this is Sri. I'm recording myself. How did I clear Google Cloud Data Engineering certification? So, majorly, I did two things. One is the course part. What is the course part I did? That's the Cloud Guru course I chose. Google Certified Professional Data Engineer certification. Other thing is about practice exams. Once you understand all the concepts and took all the lessons, get to know how each Google Cloud products work on, and you have to practice a lot of questions that's already been came in the exam or other possible questions based upon the architecture we learn in the data engineering course. So mainly, in the course, as I said, I took Cloud Guru. This is the link. So I did covered all this. It's like 21 hours of course content with hands-on labs, some practice, and a comprehensive practice exam that will go for 2 hours. And quizzes. It will cover all the products that's necessary for the exam. One thing I noticed is this course is little bit old. They have introduced new concepts on Google Cloud like analytic hubs and few other products. That's also we have some questions on the exams as well, like data form in BigQuery, analytical hub. So these kinds of questions can be expected in the exam. So one thing is to cover one comprehensive course on the certificate on each product, what it's doing and everything. So once we clear that, the other thing is practice exam. So for the practice exam, what I did is I used GCP Study Hub. So I got this course, and in the professional data engineering course, they actually have five practice exams, as you can see here. So these are the practice exams. So if you can take all the exams, you can see I completed, apart from the Cloud Guru exam, I took these practice exams. So as you know, in the initial practice exams, you will score very much less score, and slowly you can revise the concepts you studied in the course, and also like it's a reinforcement learning. Once you do mistakes and review the questions you made mistakes and took other practice exams, slowly you can see the score is increasing gradually. So I also emailed this platform's founder, just asking whether this particular practice exam is sufficient for the GCP exam. He said this is perfectly, absolutely enough for the exam. So only thing is you need to do is like practice all these 250 questions. That's pretty much enough, is what he said. So this is a good one. So I took this course and practice exam, that overall this is the format, like everyone can use that one comprehensive course, that either on the Udemy or Coursera. Coursera is one of the comprehensive data engineering, the official data engineering course that Google Cloud and Coursera partnered and created that course that covers all the concepts and products. So if you have enough time that we can practice in the Coursera, I think it's like we have to plan for more weeks. But if you have to make it much quicker, you can go for Udemy or Cloud Guru and do a comprehensive course and just finish some practice exams. Also, I have seen couple other practice exams as well, but this particular GCP Study Hub, it's pretty filtered, and also it's been updated. As I told, since the GCP exam has been updated, this particular practice exams has been updated accordingly, including all the new concepts and new questions. So this is a very good thing. I also passed the exam just preparing these two things. For just clearing the exams, that's this is a really good resources to that. Apart from that, I did some research on what are the other GCP resources I can find. These are other platforms for the resources. Let's say this is one of the Cloud Guru and Skill Cert Pro. This is one of the where you can find practice exams. and this is one of the GitHub repos with the notes for each products. And I also specifically like Priyanka's Google Cloud GitHub repo, where you can find the diagrams with what the product is doing. With visually, you can understand everything. That's really good resources. And exam topic, where you can find some questions. If you're not comfortable with the GCP Study Hub, I think exam topic has some around 350 or 400 questions that you can refer for. And this is one of the other cheat sheets from Skillshare Pro that you can refer. I think this is one of the WizLab's free practice tests that you can take. And the other thing is like there is a official exam course, that's Google Cloud Professional Data Engineering Study Hub by Dan Sullivan. That's the official book, Google Cloud book that you can use if you want to do the GCP book way. And as you know, like Cloud Guru is recently been integrated, acquired by Pluralsight. Like instead of paying for Pluralsight, I specifically logged into Cloud Guru and paid for Cloud Guru course alone, because I felt like Pluralsight is little more expensive. So I directly logged into Cloud Guru and used that login, and all other things are pretty much same. And I also did some research on the resources on Reddit, and where we can find. So another thing is like if your company is a Google Cloud partner, you have a advantage of using Cloud Skills Boost, where you can do all the practice labs and content courses on the skills boost itself. So that's one of the best things, but it will take more time. It's you learn everything by hands-on, doing all the labs. That's really good, and also it's a huge advantage for the company as well. It will improve the expertise on specific things for the company side as well when they partnered with Google Cloud. So that's an advantage. And also this, as this particular Reddit user said, they actually added some extra questions in the new curriculum, like analytic hubs, dataplex, big lake, alloydb, memory store. These are the new question syllabus added in the new question base. For example, dataplex, initially they had data catalog product which they has been discontinued recently, and there won't be no support after January 2026. So they're trying to integrate everything to Dataplex, the metadata management, data lineage, data governance. So we can see new questions on the Dataplex product. So he also said like go through WISLabs practice exams, review best practices from Dan Sullivan's exams. Yeah, so these are the screenshot I took from the Cloud Guru, but overall this is the thing on the GCP course. Thanks.